know, it doesn't have to be like neat and perfect. If you got to this part and you still did not like quite comprehend what I was doing, I'll try to explain, even though I don't know how to explain. First, I take a big chunk like that. So I'm going to do 3 of these. Like that. Hello again, friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a regular here, thanks for being here. So today I'm just gonna do simple cornrows, the type that I put under my wigs, like a protective style that I wear for a long time when it's my season for wearing wigs. And this is my season for wearing wigs, so I thought, while I'm doing these cornrows, why not film it if anyone would find it useful. Kiddo, why would you? So this type of cornrow is what I found that works for me. It's really simple. It's basically just cornrowing on one line. I've not seen it commonly used. It's the first type of cornrow I ever learned, so I'm happy to share with you. It's very fast. So I've already sectioned my hair. I'm going to do 8 cornrows, 4 and 4, and I'm going to connect them at the back just because I'm wearing wigs. But if you're going to do this, be careful not to tighten the back, because that hair hurts a lot when you're bending your head and stuff like that. So go loose at the back. Actually, just go loose everywhere, because it's a protective style. It's not supposed to hurt, right? Yeah, so I'm going to hold these away from me, away from the ones I'm working on. And I'm going to start with this one. My hair is pretty detangled, but I'm just gonna pass a blow dryer brush to, you know, remove any more tangles, because when I'm braiding, I don't want to be like knotting my hair. So I'm going to use this. And if you didn't see my review on this, it's on my channel, so I will link it down below. This is the Dyson Airwrap dupe. Yeah, so let's get to it. So I don't know how to explain it, but you can follow with me slowly and see. If you made it here to the last one, thank you. So as you can see, I'm not starting the braid from the front. See, there's like 2 inches before I start my braid, and this is to help the hair lay flat when you're wearing the wig, because if you started the braiding from here, then that's like a bulk knot and it will like make your lace so it's better not to start from the front. It's also a protective style for your edges when you're not like, you know, braiding on your edges too tight. If you got to this part and you still did not like quite comprehend what I was doing, I'll try to explain, even though I don't know how to explain. So I start by first I take a big chunk like that. That's my first that's too big, my first partition like that. So I'm going to do 3 of these. Like that. So I like to hold all the hair like this, and then I'll hold the third one I took out there, and then also hold the second one there, and then the first one. So I'm going to alternate the first one and the third one, and then keep braiding. So okay, like this. This is the first one. I'm going to take the third one like that, and this now in between my index finger here is the second one. So this is the third one, and in here is the first one. So I'm going to alternate this is the third one, and the first one like that. And then now I'm going to pick this was the second one like that, and then I take back like that, and now I start picking as I go and just keep braiding like that. Don't go too long before you you know, detangle those partitions, because it will like really tangle. You'll cry. You'll regret why you didn't. So you keep going. I advise that you do it you detangle every time, but if you're not able to, you can go twice before you detangle. So you will hold these here and hold them down and detangle with your other hand. So see, this I went twice without detangling or really separating the hair to the end, and you can see how long it's taking me to like do that. So I advise that you do it every single time you pick a braid like this, like that, put it there and separate it, and then keep going. So because this is the last cornrow I'm doing, I'm going to try and attach those other cornrows in here. So you can see these can pretty easily just lay flat when you're wearing a wig. You can go ahead and sew it together if you're planning to have them for a long time, but after wearing like a wig cap for like a day, it just stays in place, I would say. So that is my beginner friendly cornrow for wigs. If you found this video useful, please like, comment and share it with your friends, and thanks again for watching. I will try and see if by the time I edit I can, you know, put a clip in on me wearing a wig on top of this. If not, you can just check my next videos, because they are going to be wig videos, the next videos. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. And no, it doesn't have to be like neat and perfect, because these are just wig cornrows. So yeah, that took me a very short time to do. Anyway, now for real, bye.